Don't be stingy. Like, get it all on there. A whole bunch of it, because we're going to mix it up so it'll get in there good. Okay. Oh, then you do it like low. Like this, a whole bunch. Okay, hold up. Oh, that's good. Put this on it. Onion powder. I got the stove on already.
Oh my god.
Okay. Woo. Okay. This is
Nature's
the best right here.
the stuff.
That's the stuff.
Wrong side.
No, it's the right side, but
like don't like.
It's fine. It's fine because we're gonna mix it over. Sprinkle over there. Dang, Angel put a lot of load in it. God.
Because it's nature's.
Sprinkle a little bit of this in it. You got it? Not too much. Just a little bit. Ah, son of a monkey.
Well, it's still good because we're gonna mix it. Still a lot of meat at the bottom too. Oh, that smells good.
It's cumin. I'm gonna mix all this up because we're gonna put a little bit of water in it and just cook it on low. Do you know how they make carnitas?
Yeah.
They fry it. But I'm gonna teach you how to make carnitas without the heart attack. Okay?
Okay.
This is mommy's way. This is Mimi's way. Yeah, Mimi's way. Everybody makes it different, but this is how I make it. No, save it!
Let's grab it?
Yeah, the stuff's clean. Put it in here.
Oh, it's...
Okay. Wash your hands. Hello, we're going to put more. Watch me. Go. You can wash your hands, Angel, but I'm still going to keep going. I'm just going to put this. And the salt. This is salt. This is gonna make, we're gonna add water to it. You know what it's gonna do? Angel, add the water. Put it on high for a minute. Here.
So the water is the most important
just pour it in there. You know what that's gonna do? It's gonna pull all this fat on your bust and butt. It's gonna pull all the fat. So you're gonna cook it with its own grease. It's gonna oil. Okay?
Which is good.
Which is good because you don't need, you know, to fry it. It's got enough oil in it. Then cover it up. Put it on high and let it cook. Let it boil. Let it boil, and then we're gonna turn it down on low. Okay?
I'm not sleeping. And what?
Still boiling. Did it stop?
No, I accidentally stopped it. Oh snap! Perfect spice. Wait. It's wrong way.
It's a lot of meat, so we're still cooking it on high. Right, Lo? Look, the bone is coming off. The bone's coming out.
Wait, so it's
We're going to take the bones out in a minute. Or are you going to leave them in there?
Does it like make the meat like not spongy, but like does it make the meat? So it just makes the bone slip out like jump.
Yes.
Cause
Makes
like
the bone come off.
what is it? Cause it's boiling it.
You can fry it, but we don't want all that grease. It's pulling the grease out by itself.
But it's still cooking.
Yep.
Like, of course. Why am I even saying what? No, what?
So we got the salsa made.
Oh,
We got beans and we have tortillas.
I'm gonna go make me a sticker, okay? Bro.
Bro, we thought you was recording. Come on. Come on now. See the bone?
Don't worry about it.
It's coming off. Look, all the bones. You just gotta keep stirring it and cooking it. You recording over here? Can you hear Angel? I just said, whoa. You see all the grease coming out of it already? And the juice is dehydrated.
That fat.
That left in.
Mom, that fat is going to be delicious.
This fat right here is making the grease. Some people, when they cook it, they just chop it up and they fry it, like with a lot of grease.
Yeah, and then the fat takes the grease out and there's bunches.
But they take all this meat up. You see all this? They take all this fat off. So what's the purpose of, why don't you just cook it with its own grease? That's what lard is.
Don't use the fat after?
Ooh, you just want the fat.
No, not just the fat. You gotta get the
See the bones? We're taking the bones off.
The meats. That's what I call it, Mama. The M-E-E-T-S, not M-E-A-T-S.
See?
Got the meats.
Mel, you recording, homie?
Yes, I'm recording.
What's up? What's coming off?
Camera is a little wiggly because I'm trying to get the chair.
Don't move too much. Ay, pendeja, está caliente.
Go.
Some more bones. And the bones out. Okay. We'll let it cook some more.
Oh wait, I found the cook.
Okay. While that's cooking low, you got this camera like, whoa. Low. While this is cooking, tell me your chef name. What's going to be your chef name? What about you?
Master Chef El Chip.
El Chip?
Yeah. Oh my God. El Chip over here, boy. Ew, you got that off of FNAF. FNAF, El Chip.
El Chip. Okay. What about you?
That Mexican bear.
You're spilling water, homie. What are you doing? Are you watching it? What's your chef name?
I'm Master Chef instead of Master Chief from Hello.
So, Master Chef?
Chef, not Master Chief.
Okay, remember that, Master Chef.
Not Master Chief. Master
And
Chef. El Chip last name. Juice. My last name is not Master Chief. That's my last name. Not Master Chief. So like you're a chief, but also a chef. No, I'm a chef. So you're not a chief. You're a chef.
we got a special guest. Mojo Pojo from 4-Day Frankie.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Well,
He came just in time. How you know, Mo?
I was going to see if you wanted to cook. I was like, man, let me go see if she wants to cook something.
I'm one step ahead of you, Mo.
Y'all come in here already.
Mira, mis
I
Carnitas.
smelled it outside. I was like, oh.
Hell yeah. Look at
she's
Miss
already
Carnitas. Look.
cooking.
Yeah, they're fixing to fry. Look, they're starting to fry. They're turning brown. They're tender. You want to taste one?
No, I would.
You would?
I got to go home and take me a shower. I got to stop by the bank and get the kids some money because they're going skating.
All right.
This way. We're gonna do it this way or that way?
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Actually, we could do it either way, bro.
Look, they're done. I'm just going to strain them because I don't want all that grease in there. See it?
I want to put my face near it so I could smell it, but like if I do it, then it's gonna pop in my face. I'm like,
No, I don't pop on your face. Chorizo pops in your face.
to taste the ultimate mama cookie. Bring my drink.
Come taste this carnita, see if you like it.
Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot. Same time. It's not that hot. Ooh, it's tender. You seen it? How it broke off?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ooh, that's good.
Mmm.
Huh? Wait. Can I use a fork? No, just grab it. Like, grab it and do this. Yeah. 1, 2.
Look at me. Come on. Back up. I can't see. Mmm.
I can't. Hot.
Hot. Back up, you guys. I can't see you guys. Was it good? Ooh, with salsa and aguacates and frijolitos.
Oh, that can taste delicious.
Okay.
Hey, hold up. I gotta go up.
Looks good.
This is gonna make me want to catch them all. Catch them all, the Pokemons. This is the big dessert.
This is a taste test.
It's gonna make me want to catch them all.
You can put chopped onions, cilantro on it. You can make rice on the side.
Yeah.
Frijoles.
I'm ready to eat now. What?
Taste it. Tell me if it's good or not. Good?
It broke my tongue.
Hot or spicy?
It's hot.
Oh, careful.
For me, it's not hot. It tastes good.
Is it spicy? You want more salsa?
And this one, yeah.
Okay. Okay, now it's recording. Sorry, my bad.
Frankie T, this right here is what you're missing out on. That damn work of yours just gets in the way of everything. Check these bad mammy jammies out. Son.
The good mo.
I'll give it a 10 plus plus.
Tender, right? Tender and crispy and everything.
Borderline 11.
Plus 8 equals 1 gazillion infinity, right?
Yes, sir.